This is me looking crazy. I'm about to walk to Walgreens in major snow. I have like an under hat. I just tied it because it's going to be cold. Otherwise I wouldn't tie it because it doesn't look very cute or anything. Then I have this hat on top because it's snowing. So yeah, and then I have this shirt, like a thermal shirt and a tank top. And then I'm going to have my coat on and my gloves. And then right now I'm putting these shoes on because these ones are waterproof. Those ones aren't. Those are warmer, but they're not waterproof. And I've got these big long socks on that go all the way up to here. And so I'm putting the boots on over those. And then I'm putting my coat on and these gloves with a warm Sherpa inside. I'll film on my walk. I look so funny with all these hats on. Anyway, I feel really restricted. Like, my head feels weird. I hate it. Got my gloves, but you can't put your gloves on while you're touching your phone unless you have the special gloves, which I bought some, but I don't know where they are. I have no idea where they could be. Yeah, I don't know where they are. So, yep, I think I'll stay warm and make it to Walgreens and buy some stuff. I'll see you on the way. Part of the sidewalk is paved, but the rest of my journey is not. So I'll show you how far it goes up on my feet. It's gonna be like a workout. Walking through all the snow. This might be more of a workout than I expected. It's gonna make me tired quick because, like, walking through snow for some reason, I guess it's kind of like walking through sand if you ever walk through sand. It's like tiring. I don't know why. Because I guess because you're pushing and walking differently than you normally do. And my phone's getting really wet, so I have to stop filming for a minute. I found a little path that somebody... Whoa, oh my gosh, I almost just fell. That somebody shoveled, but it's icy. And look how pretty the trees look. Here comes the car. So I gotta try not to drop my phone in the snow, because it might be hard to find. Anyway, this one's good because it was shoveled, but there's a little bit of snow for traction. I'm going the back way. Now all the snow is going in my face. But believe it or not, you actually get tired. Well, I mean, you would get tired, but I mean, you get like winded and hot walking in the snow. If you walk it fast enough and long enough, because you put a bunch of layers on to keep you warm. But then you start working up a sweat. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, I think it's like getting more snowy. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to get to the other side of the street because this looks like this one's gonna be a dead end on this side. Oops, getting foggy. To film some while like I'm in the neighborhood instead of on the busy road because I'm going the back way. Oh gosh. Busy street, and I doubt the sidewalks are shoveled. So it's just up a little bit ahead. Got really thick snow, making my nose run. It's almost up there. Hi guys. Walking in the snow, it's really pretty. It's not that miserable when you're walking. Snow is miserable when you're to drive in. There's a lot of people driving. There shouldn't really be. They probably have to go to work. There's a really pretty neighborhood that's behind my apartment that I walk through to get places. I wish I lived in a neighborhood. It'd be so much nicer than living in apartments. It's so much more spread out and friendly. Sorry. Everything makes my nose run. Let's see. Coming up to the dead end on paved sidewalk. Curious? Here's what I got from Walgreens. Nothing very interesting. Got some Necessity of Olive, off-brand. And then I got this fun gingerbread kiss chapstick. And trying to cut down on the sweets. So I figure Slickers, they're kind of like, they are eating sweets obviously, but they're not like eating pieces of cake. They have to last a long time. So I got cream swirl and candy, cotton candy. Yum. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of fun getting out in the snow. I always complain about the snow, but when you like get ready and like you're just prepared to like go out in it and like walk because you get warm. And actually I got sweaty, and then I cleaned off my car when I got back. Well, you saw that. So yeah, ended up being kind of fun and good exercise. So maybe I'll do it again. Thanks for watching. It smells like gingerbread. Man, you should totally try it. It's awesome. It's like $1.69 at Walgreens, so it's probably cheaper at like Walmart or something, if they have it at Walmart or whatever. And Max was trying to get my sucker, so it was so funny. Yep, that's all I wanted to say. I can't use that finger. Oops, I was filming.